This is how to fix one armed cook issue. Make sure to follow my methods. First of all, you should go to the Windows taskbar and click on this show hidden icon arrow. If you do find the Steam icon appearing, make sure to right click on it and select exit. Now for the next step, you should go to the search and type in device manager and open this one. Now from here, you should go to the processors element, select any process you have, right click and select the first option. After that, select search automatically for drivers and click close. Then go to display adapters, open the same thing. You need to select your graphics card, whether it's NVIDIA or AMD. Right click, do the same thing right here, select search automatically for drivers and click close. Now for the next step, you should open the Steam launcher. One armed cook should be installed in your device. So once you install it, you should just select this gear icon. After that, click properties. Now select installed files. After that, click on verify integrity of game files. You need to wait for the process to finish so it can recover any missing or corrupted file. Alternatively, go to the top left corner, select the Steam icon and click check for Steam client updates. If you do have an older version, the download button should be appearing right here. Otherwise, select settings. After that, go to downloads and select and click on clear cache. After that, click on confirm. Next, go to storage. Select your right drive that you have one armed cooked on. After that, select these three dots and click on repair library. And that's it. If you do find this video is helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.